Y'all see that Polish vegan lady that just died because she was so-called vegan and didn't eat meat and processed food, and she only ate fruits and plants. The reason why she died is because her genetical and biological structure requires a meat-rich diet. And you want to know why it requires a meat-rich diet? Because Caucasians and really other races share DNA with animals. And one animal in specific that requires a meat-rich diet that they harvest within their blood, that they harness within their blood, is canines, aka the wolf. They need a meat-rich diet to sustain their biological structure. Otherwise, they would become malnutrition and malnourished, super skinny, and start to die. D-I-E. I don't want to say the word, but yeah. Yes. The only people that can sustain their biological structure off of plants is black people, because we don't harness any animal DNA within us. And they like to say we all the same. No, we not. No, we not. Black people, we come from the sun. We come from the stars. We come from the universe. We are the original human. We are the original man and woman. So we don't need to eat meat at all. Eating meat is only for other races. That's facts. You can do the research. People can do the research themselves. We gotta stop acting like we all the same and black people need to eat meat, and no, we don't. That's the number one thing that's killing us and giving us diseases and all of this bullshit. Veganism, that type of lifestyle is for us. But when they get on it, they don't look too good. They don't survive off of that. They cannot live off that. And it's just fact. Y'all seen how she was looking. She was super fucking skinny. She looked like a damn skeleton. And I ain't talking about her. It's just facts. They got Neanderthal-based blood. They're Neanderthal-based. They got animal DNA. And in specific canine, they need to eat a meat-rich diet. It is what it is. Black people, we started off as vegetarian and vegan anyway. We plant-based eaters. We lived and can live a plant-based lifestyle. We the only ones that can actually sustain off of that. And we can sustain ourselves off of that type of diet, or off of that type of lifestyle. I call it a lifestyle. I don't like the word diet. But I say diet just to dumb it down for people who just, low vibrational thinking. But yeah, man, that Polish lady really died from a vegan diet. And they want to say that she was anorexic and all of this, and then she had pre-existing condition and all of this and that. Sorry if you hear some a weed eater in the background, but yeah, they just can't live off of that type of diet. It doesn't sustain their biological structure because, again, they got animal DNA. Just go look up all the animals they have within their DNA. They science don't lie about their DNA. They can't change the function on DNA. They gotta tell the truth about that shit, bro. A lot of people be like, oh, you read this in the book. The white man created these books. They gotta tell the truth somewhere, motherfucker. They gotta tell the truth somewhere, motherfucker. They just can't lie to you every fucking time. You think they gonna just lie to you about every fucking thing? No, they can't lie to you about every motherfucking thing. Look at how stupid you are to even... Nothing, bro. But yeah, man. All white people can't go vegan. All Asians can't go vegan. Some of them can make it here and there, but that's probably vegetarians. And you can eat dairy. Dairy is basically animal-based. You know what I'm saying? And that's probably how a lot of them are making it off of a no-meat diet. But again, black people are the only people that can eat that type of diet. We really eat the sun. We sun eaters. because our melanin absorbs all forms of that energy. Our melanin literally absorbs radiation. We got neuromelanin. This is something that we have, neuromelanin. It's not even really melanin. This skin right here is condensed sunlight. It is the sun. And a lot of people gonna think I'm crazy, but that's just the truth. They tell you in science anyway. This is literally basic science. This is really basic shit, man. This is basic shit. We already been knew this, man. When Young Pharaoh came out with this shit, when Dr. Delbert Blair came out with this shit, when the other guy came out with this shit, I forgot his fucking name, Bobby Hemmett. A lot of people already came out with this science, bro. You literally saw the people in Kemet. They used to bathe in the sun. They didn't worship the sun. They acknowledged the sun because they knew that's where they came from. They had a spiritual connection with the sun because they knew that's where they fucking, and that's where they knew they fucking originated from. This is where we originate. The fucking sun. Without the sun, everything is dead. We already know that. Without the sun, everything is gone. But still, bro, without the sun, we probably still be alive because we are the sun walking in a motherfucking flesh. But like I said again, they can't go on them type of motherfucking lifestyles. They can't go on them type of diets. It is what it is. If you disagree, just go look up the motherfucking science. Go look up the motherfucking research. Go look up the motherfucking information. That's all you gotta do is go look this shit up and know your motherfucking genetics. Literally.